Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll explore some ingenious ideas and gather inspiration for small kitchens that maximize space, style, and functionality. Whether you're dealing with a cozy apartment kitchen or a compact cooking space, we've got you covered. Scene 1. Clever storage solutions. Let's kick things off with clever storage solutions. Consider pull-out pantry shelves, vertical storage racks, and magnetic strips for utensils. These ideas ensure every inch of your kitchen is utilized efficiently. Scene 2. Multifunctional furniture. Small kitchens often call for multifunctional furniture. Explore foldable tables, extendable countertops, and kitchen islands with built-in storage. These pieces not only save space, but also add versatility to your cooking area. Scene 3. Bright and light design. Lighting can make a huge difference in a small kitchen. Opt for bright, natural light if possible. Use reflective surfaces like glass or glossy cabinets to create a more open and airy feel. Consider pendant lights to add a touch of style. Scene 4. Smart organization tips. Organization is key in a small kitchen. Use clear containers for pantry items, label everything, and invest in stackable cookware. A well-organized kitchen not only looks great, but also makes cooking a breeze. Scene 5. Open shelving for style. Open shelving is a popular trend that works wonders in small kitchens. It creates an illusion of space and allows you to showcase your favorite kitchenware. Just remember, it's also an opportunity to keep things tidy and visually appealing. Scene 6. Compact appliances. Look for compact and space-saving appliances. There are numerous options available, from slim refrigerators to compact dishwashers. These appliances maintain functionality without overwhelming your limited space. Scene 7. Color palette choices. Choose a light and neutral color palette for your small kitchen. Light colors create a sense of openness, while neutral tones provide a timeless and sophisticated look. Add pops of color through accessories and decor. Closing. Call to action. Ready to unlock the potential of your small kitchen? Explore these ideas, gather inspiration, and get creative. With a little planning and these tips, you can transform your compact space into a kitchen you'll love. Additional notes. This script can be adapted to fit the format of an infographic, video, or other creative presentation. You can add specific product recommendations or links to resources for further exploration. Consider using high-quality visuals to showcase the ideas effectively. Remember to personalize the script to match your target audience and brand voice. Small kitchens can be a design challenge, but with these ideas and inspirations, you can turn your space into a stylish and efficient culinary haven. Don't forget to share your own small kitchen tips in the comments below. Happy cooking!